Hello friends, so is your car showing check engine code P0455? If you're noticing a fuel smell, poor fuel efficiency, or a check engine light, this could be due to a large leak in the EVAP system. In this video, I'll explain what P0455 means, its symptoms, sensor locations, and how to fix it. Let's get started. The P0455 code stands for Evaporative Emission Control System Large Leak Detected. Your vehicle's EVAP system prevents fuel vapors from escaping into the air. If a major leak is detected, the ECU triggers the P0455 error. This means a hose, fuel cap, or EVAP component has a significant leak that needs urgent attention. Common symptoms of P0455 are check engine light on, a strong fuel odor near the car, poor fuel economy, a hissing sound from the fuel tank, and a failed emissions test. Ignoring this code won't cause immediate engine failure, but it does increase emissions and fuel loss. To diagnose P0455, you'll want to locate these EVAP system components. The EVAP purge valve, or purge solenoid, is located near the intake manifold and is responsible for controlling fuel vapor flow. The EVAP vent valve, or vent solenoid, can be found near the fuel tank and allows proper air circulation in the system. The fuel tank pressure sensor, or FTPS, is usually mounted on top of the fuel tank or inside the fuel pump assembly, and it monitors pressure changes. The charcoal canister is positioned under the rear of the car and stores fuel vapors before they're burned in the engine. And finally, the EVAP hoses and lines run between the fuel tank, canister, and engine bay. Oh, and here's a quick tip, a smoke test can help you locate leaks really quickly. Alright, so let's talk about the most common causes of that P0455 code. First up, a loose or missing fuel cap. Honestly, this is the #1 culprit. A cracked or missing gas cap can easily trigger this code. Next, you've got cracked or disconnected EVAP hoses. Over time, these hoses can dry out, crack, or just become loose, which leads to leaks. Another thing to watch out for is a faulty EVAP purge valve or vent valve. If either one fails to close properly, fuel vapors can escape. Then there's the charcoal canister. If it's damaged or cracked, it'll start releasing vapors too. And finally, don't forget about fuel tank or filler neck damage. Even a small crack or a bit of rust in the fuel tank area can cause leaks. Now let's move on to how to actually fix this P0455 issue. First, you'll want to scan the ECU with an OBD-II scanner to confirm the code. Next, inspect the fuel cap, tighten it up or replace it if it's damaged. After that, check your EVAP hoses for any cracks, disconnections, or leaks. Then, test the EVAP purge and vent valve using a multimeter to make sure they're working right. If you're still stuck, perform a smoke test. This is super helpful for finding those hidden leaks in the EVAP system. Finally, once you've found the problem, replace any faulty components, clear the code, and take your car for a test drive. So just to wrap things up, the P0455 code means your EVAP system has a large leak. Most of the time it's due to something simple like a loose fuel cap, broken hoses, or maybe a faulty valve. If you're looking for more car troubleshooting guides, go ahead and check out these videos next. P0192, which covers fuel rail pressure sensor circuit low input, and P0193 for fuel rail pressure sensor circuit high input. And hey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more car repair tips.